AI ethics. Navigating the present and future of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a fundamental part of our world, transforming industries, economies, and even the way we interact with one another. But as we embrace the power of AI, a crucial question arises. How do we ensure that it serves us in ways that are fair, transparent, and ethical? To further aid your understanding of this module, it would be helpful for you to watch our beginners-friendly video on artificial intelligence. Hey there, I am Frankenstein's avatar. We'll explore what AI ethics is, why it is important to the development of benevolent and beneficial artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore the ethical considerations behind AI, the guidelines for responsible AI development, and the challenges that lie ahead in the future of AI ethics. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and explain the three main ethical concerns in AI development: bias, privacy, and transparency, and understand their real-world implications. 2. Understand the guidelines for ethical AI practices, including fairness, accountability, transparency, privacy, and human-centered design. 3. Gain insight into the ethical dilemmas posed by advanced AI systems, such as autonomous vehicles, AI surveillance, and the use of AI in warfare. Understand the importance of transparency in AI decision-making, and how accountability is shared between AI developers, users, and institutions. 5. Reflect on and participate in discussions about how AI technologies will shape the future, considering the evolving ethical challenges that AI advancements will bring. Ethical considerations in AI. Ethical considerations in AI will be centered around bias, privacy, and transparency. At the heart of ethical AI development are three key pillars: bias, privacy, and transparency. Bias.
Let's start with bias. AI systems learn from data, and data reflects human biases. Without careful attention, AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. This has been particularly problematic in areas like hiring, policing, and facial recognition technology.
In a 2019 study published by MIT Media Lab, it was found that facial recognition algorithms from major tech companies were significantly less accurate in identifying women of color than white males, highlighting the potential for AI to discriminate if not properly managed. Privacy. AI systems require large amounts of data to function effectively. However, this raises concerns about how much of our personal data is being collected and how it is used. The Cambridge Analytica scandal, where data was used to manipulate voters during elections, showed the real-world consequences of misusing data. Ensuring privacy means being transparent about what data is collected and giving people control over their own information. Transparency. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, meaning their decision-making processes are opaque to users and even to their developers. As AI decisions increasingly affect our lives, whether in approving loans, hiring decisions, or medical diagnoses, it is critical that we understand how and why these decisions are made. Responsible AI development. Guidelines for ethical AI practices. It is imperative that we develop AI in an ethical and responsible manner. So, how do we develop AI responsibly? Leading organizations and researchers have established guidelines for ethical AI practices to ensure these technologies are fair, transparent, and accountable. 1. Fairness. AI must treat all individuals equally, ensuring that its decision-making processes are free from bias and discrimination. 2. Accountability. Developers and organizations deploying AI systems must be accountable for their impacts and be willing to explain and justify AI decisions. 3. Transparency. AI models should be understandable, especially for decisions that affect people's lives. 4. Privacy. Individuals should have control over their data, and organizations should use privacy-preserving technologies to safeguard personal information. 5. Human-centered design. AI systems should enhance human decision-making, not replace it, ensuring that humans retain control over critical decisions. One promising approach to responsible AI development is the incorporation of ethics by design principles, where ethical considerations are built into the development process from the start, rather than being added as an afterthought. The future of AI ethics: emerging ethical challenges. As AI continues to evolve, so do the ethical challenges it presents. Some of the emerging issues we face include the development of autonomous AI systems, such as self-driving cars or robotic healthcare assistants. In the case of self-driving cars, there is an ongoing debate about how these systems should respond to life and death situations, commonly referred to as the trolley problem. Should the car prioritize the safety of its passengers or pedestrians? Who is liable if something goes wrong? The AI developer, the car manufacturer, or the driver? Answering these questions are imperative in curating ethical frameworks for AI development. Another area of concern is the use of AI in surveillance. How do we balance the need for security with individual privacy rights? In some countries, AI is used to monitor citizens' daily activities, raising concerns about state control and privacy invasion. Looking forward, we must also consider the ethical implications of AI in warfare, where autonomous weapons could make life and death decisions without human intervention. This presents profound questions about responsibility and moral accountability. Ultimately, the future of AI ethics depends on ongoing collaboration between AI developers, ethicists, policymakers, and society. It's crucial that we continually adapt and evolve our understanding of ethics as AI technologies become more advanced and integrated into our lives. The development of ethical AI is not just a technical challenge, it is a moral and societal one. As we build the future with AI, we must ask ourselves, how can we create systems that are both innovative and responsible? How can we ensure that AI works for everyone, not just a select few? The answer lies in keeping ethics at the heart of AI development. Together, we can shape a future where AI serves humanity with fairness, transparency, and responsibility. Summary of key points. Ethical considerations in AI. It is essential to address issues such as bias, privacy, and transparency. Bias in AI systems can lead to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns arise from the vast amounts of personal data processed, and transparency is crucial for building trust in AI systems. Responsible AI development. We can also say that it would be essential for developers to follow clear guidelines and best practices to ensure that AI is created and deployed ethically. This includes fostering diversity in development teams, promoting data protection, and adhering to existing legal and ethical frameworks. Future challenges in AI ethics. As AI advances, new ethical challenges will emerge, such as the rise of autonomous systems, deepfake technologies, and AI decision-making in critical areas like healthcare and criminal justice. Key takeaways. AI has enormous potential, but ethical considerations must guide its development and deployment to prevent harm and injustice. Addressing bias, privacy, and transparency is key to ensuring ethical AI systems. Ethical AI practices rely on responsible development, incorporating diverse perspectives and considering both current and future impacts of AI technology. The future of AI will present new challenges, and it's our responsibility to anticipate and mitigate ethical risks. Working together as technologists, policymakers, and citizens is necessary to foster a future where AI benefits everyone, fairly and justly. We encourage you to stay informed and get involved in conversations about AI ethics. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or simply an engaged citizen, your voice is crucial in shaping the future of AI. Learn about ethical guidelines, advocate for responsible AI practices, and help ensure that AI technology respects human rights and promotes fairness. The future of AI is being built today. Let's make sure it's one we can all stand behind.